Hello. Thank you for choosing to pick this video and watch it. But also thank you very much for our 15th subscriber, a chap called John Green. I do think I've been a little bit ambitious trying to get 20 subscribers really soon. So if you do like this video, please subscribe. Now, the thing we're going to do today is, right, okay, I'll just explain it. You like chili, right? You like chili con carne, that is. You like pizza, right? So why don't we make a chili con carne pizza? So this is pretty easy, but there's an easier way. I'm going to make the dough, but you can just buy a pizza base. And the chili is fantastic. So let's have a chili pizza. I have my yeast and my flour already in there, and just add in the rest of the salt. Then I'll add the sugar. Now I'm going to add the olive oil. And then I'm going to add the water. I'm just going to do it a little bit at a time. And I'm going to stir it initially with the handle of a wooden spoon. And that's ready to take out and start kneading on your board. How long do you need the bread for? Right now, this has got the complexion of what I imagine one of my grandma's arse cheeks look like. So you want to knead this until it has the complexion of a nice arse, I suppose. I'm going to stop the arse analogy for this dough and just say that this is about right. So we'll get a big bowl, we'll put some olive oil in it, put that in it, cover it in cling film and put it somewhere nice and warm, and until it's like at least doubled in size. We can start making our chili con carne. Step one is to fry some beef mince rather. Okay, now we add a can of tomatoes. Next, I'm going to add a can of baked beans. I don't like kidney beans, so I use baked beans for this recipe. Now we add some chocolate. Now, it doesn't matter if you use dark or milk, depends on your taste. Just don't use white chocolate. And then we just stir that in. The reason why we put the chocolate in is because well, first of all, chocolate's really cool. But it brings out the flavors of the spices, it enhances them. Top tip I learned from a Mexican lady. And depending on how hot you like your chili, just put in some Tabasco. And this is where the cheating bit comes in. This is where we make it easy for ourselves. I have got a chili con carne mix that I'm just going to stir in, shamelessly, because I don't care. We put this onto a low heat and let it thicken up. And then when it's thickened, we can switch it off and let it cool until we're ready to assemble our pizza. Right, we have got, oh yeah, I had to take my jumper off because kneading all that dough was, yeah, it was harder work than I thought it was going to be. We have the chili cooking or simmering away over there. Near the radiator, we've got the dough proving. What do we want to drink with this pizza? This pizza is full of spices and flavors, so you can bring out the big guns when it comes to a red wine. Cab Sav would go very, very well, or a Shiraz would go very, very well. I've been down to the wine cellar and found that we have got a Grenache Syrah, which is Shiraz, if you're not in France. Why am I going to pick this one? it can handle the big flavors of the chili because it's got big flavors inside. It's going to be great. So our dough is more than doubled in size, and now we will roll it out onto our baking tray. And next, I'm going to cover this in cling film again and put it somewhere warm where it can do a second proving. Okay, so it's a good job we got 2 bottles of the Grenache Syrah, brackets Shiraz, because we've already drunk one of them. This has been proven. I'm going to whack that in the oven without any topping for about 5 minutes at 190 degrees. And that will mean that we'll make sure that we get a crispy pizza base. All about the base. Then just top the pizza with the chili con carne, and then cover with the cheese.